Hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In this video we are going to see how to create PCB for this inverting amplifier circuit. For that, first we need to select the connectors to connect the input signal and the output signal, and also DC power supply. So let's select the components. Here you can see connectors. Here we need 2-pin connectors and also 3-pin connectors. So select this one, click OK. Let's connect the circuit. First place the 2-pin socket. One pin for input signal and other pin for ground. And also we have to use same socket for output signal. We need 3-pin socket for plus 12 volt, minus 12 volt, and also ground. So let's connect it. So connection is completed. So let's go to PCB layout. Here you can see all the commands are appeared here. First we need to choose the voltage. For that, choose this square one and make sure to select this voltage, and then you have to create the port size. Then we need to place all these commands inside this board. So for that, click this auto placer and make sure all the commands are ticked properly, and then click OK. Here you can see all the commands are appear here with connection line. First we need to arrange the command in a proper way. So arrange this one. Then reduce the both sides. Then you can manually draw this line, and also you can create the line by auto router. For creating line manually, you can choose this one, and I am going to do the routing by using auto routing option. So click being routing. Then the path is the copper line paths are created properly. If you want to create manually, then you can select the signal line like power line, signal line. Likewise, you can choose the lines and then draw the copper lines manually. And this is the completed PCB layout. Then we can visualize this circuit in a 3D view. So go to 3D visualizer. Here you can see this is the output PCB circuit. So if you want to create your own PCB, then print this PCB layout and then create your own PCBs. And that's all about today's video, guys. If you like this video, click the like button. If you want more video like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.